Hey everyone! Mother's Day is just around the corner, and you know what that means? It's time to find the perfect gift for the amazing woman who raised you. But what do you get the woman who has everything? Flowers are nice, chocolates are delicious, but you want something truly special. Something that shows you put thought and effort into it. Don't worry, we've got you covered. This year, ditch the boring and embrace the extraordinary. In this video, we explore some unique and innovative Mother's Day gift ideas that will make your mom feel truly appreciated. From sentimental experiences to personalized surprises, we've got something for every mom. We'll show you how to create lasting memories, spark joy, and find gifts that keep on giving. Now, before we go right on to the video, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon to be notified every time we upload new videos. And like this video if you get any value off of it. 1. Stargazing. Surprise your mom with a night of stargazing under a blanket of stars, or volunteer together for a cause close to her heart. These are gifts that go beyond the material and create memories you'll both cherish for years to come. 2. Personalized surprises. Moms love thoughtful gifts, so why not get her something truly unique? Design a custom board game based on your family's inside jokes and favorite memories. This personalized touch will show her just how much you care and provide endless entertainment for family game nights. 3. Gifts that keep on giving. Some gifts just keep on giving. Plant a tree in her honor and bury a time capsule filled with mementos for the future. Or create a custom subscription box filled with treats or supplies for her favorite hobby. These gifts show your thoughtfulness extends beyond just Mother's Day. 4. Tech-savvy gifts. Is your mom a tech whiz? This year, embrace her love for technology with a gift that keeps pace with her digital life. Gift her a personalized photo stream that displays a curated collection of photos and videos on a dedicated smart picture frame. She can constantly be reminded of cherished memories with a simple glance. Or elevate her culinary skills with a cooking class on a live video chat. Learn from a professional chef together, even if you're miles apart. Get the whole family involved with a digital family get-together, assuming you're far away from each other. Compile family recipes, photos, a shared calendar, and a messaging system all in one place. It's a fun and convenient way to stay connected. 5. Luxury gifts with a personal touch. For the mom who deserves a touch of luxury, consider a gift that's both elegant and personal. A timeless piece of jewelry with her birthstone or initials adds a personal touch to a luxurious gift. Capture her essence with a custom-made portrait by a talented artist. It's a stunning piece of art that celebrates your mom's unique beauty. For the mom who loves to cook, create a customized cookbook filled with cherished family recipes. It's a thoughtful gift that combines luxury with a sentimental touch. All right, that's it for these Mother's Day gift ideas. Hopefully, you found something special that will make your mom smile. And remember, no matter what gift you choose, the most important thing is to show your mom how much you love and appreciate her. After all, she's the best. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found some inspiration for the special mom in your life. Speaking of inspiration, we've created a special Mother's Day merch that is perfect for showing your mom just how much you care. We have t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, and many more in our store on Teesprings. They're good quality apparels, plus they're a gift that keeps on giving. Shipping typically takes between 2 to 2.5 weeks, so hurry up now and grab yourself a special gift for your special mom, grandma, or godmother. Head over to our website, link in the description below, and browse our Mother's Day collection today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gift ideas and fun content. Until next time. Bye.